the bone grates on the bone. It's as simple as that. I need a new knee, but sometimes it's bearable, but when it flares up, it's really, really bad. Since I've been using the shoes and learning how to do it, there has been a gradual easement in the pain, especially at the start. And it just gave me a little bit of relief after the 15 minutes or whatever. It gave me a slight more relief. It's always a relief when you can ease it down either in strength or in time. Yes, there was easing in the pain. It'll never fix it up. Yeah, it's been an improvement from day one. I can say that. Oh, definitely. I can walk easier. There's less pain. I'm wearing the things around the house all the time. I'm going upstairs and downstairs with them and all sorts of things which you wouldn't dream about. I don't tend to, but I can actually, if I struggle a bit, take each step at a time. Because it used to be 1 foot, bring the other one up, 1 foot, but I can actually go step, 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 step. That is a major improvement for me, just because it was hard getting up the stairs. Only the fact that all the people I've dealt with along the line have been totally brilliant. Everybody's been so helpful, and I couldn't recommend it highly enough.